Hi guys, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm excited to share with you a beautiful and captivating eye makeup tutorial. We will be creating a black smoky eye with glitter, and the best part is that it's incredibly easy to do. So stay with me and let's get started. For the first step, use a gray eyeshadow as the base. I recommend using a brush like this one. Apply 3 dots of the eyeshadow to your eyelid, then blend it out using sweeping motions. If you prefer a darker shade of gray, you can definitely use that for a more intense black smoky eye look. You can also choose this color from your preferred eyeshadow palettes. Make sure to blend the gray eyeshadow well, covering your entire eyelid. Next, I use this black glittery powder eyeshadow, which adds a stunning and a sparkly effect. You can choose your desired black eyeshadow from most eyeshadow palettes. I use a small flat brush to apply the black eyeshadow. Trust me, it works wonders. Similar to the previous step, I tap the brush onto my eyelid, creating 3 dots with the eyeshadow, and then blend it out. Blending the black eyeshadow can be a bit challenging, so I recommend gradually adding the black eyeshadow and blending it as much as you can. If you notice that the eyeshadow appears patchy or has harsh lines, don't worry, we will fix those issues with some extra blending using a fluffy brush. Since we are going to blend the black eyeshadow for a long time, the glitters won't stick to the eyelid, so if you're using a matte black eyeshadow, it's okay. And for the next step, I will use glitter to make it shimmer and sparkle. If you use a dark gray shade as your base, it will indeed make the black color appear more intense and darker. This can create a more dramatic and bold black smoky eye look, so feel free to use a dark gray base if you want to achieve that effect. As I mentioned before, I use the fluffy brush to blend away any harsh lines. This smoky eye makeup look is really beautiful and easy to achieve. I suggest going over it step by step with me. Dip your brush into the black eyeshadow again and apply it to your lower lash line, starting from the outer corner and extending towards the middle. Next, my favorite part is the glitter. This is a powdered glitter. You can choose the glitter from your favorite eyeshadow palette. I apply the glitter to the center of my eyelid using my fingertip. I also apply it to my lower lash line. It's incredibly shiny and mesmerizing. I love it. We will finish off our eye makeup with eyeliner. I create a winged eyeliner look, starting from the outer corner of your eye and extend it towards the middle of your eyelid. It looks really beautiful, and finally I've decided to use false eyelashes, which are perfect and enhances the overall look of this eye makeup. Thank you for watching this video until this point. This tutorial was very easy and concise. If it was helpful to you, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. If you are interested in makeup and beauty, I post makeup tutorial videos every week, so please subscribe to my channel to not miss out any videos. I appreciate your support and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Put my trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you're my friend.